Every day, the boundaries of design and production expand, and at CIM UPC, we make that evolution real. Traditional 3D printing systems have reached their limit. Standard materials and limited flexibility are no longer enough to meet the challenges of advanced research and industry. That's why we promote a different approach. Our hybrid 3D research line, where multiple technologies coexist and connect to create innovative, flexible, and unique processes. Each technology contributes a unique capability, different shapes, materials, and functions that together unlock the full potential of digital manufacturing. Fused filament fabrication melts thermoplastic filament and deposits it layer by layer, enabling the production of functional parts and high-resolution prototypes with precision and reliability. Direct ink writing extrudes highly viscous pastes and inks capable of incorporating ceramics, polymers, or specific functional materials, opening new pathways in advanced research and materials development. Pellet extrusion allows us to work with customized compounds, recycled materials, blends with inorganic powders, or formulations developed in our own laboratory. Soft material microextrusion prints with micrometric precision, creating new opportunities in biotechnology, tissue engineering, and flexible electronics. It's a modular, adaptable, and fully customizable system that enables experimentation, validation, and solution development with rigor and speed. At CIM UPC, we don't just research. We co-create with companies, universities, and technology centers to take innovation beyond the lab. The future of digital manufacturing isn't singular or linear, it's hybrid. If you're interested in exploring the full potential of hybrid 3D, contact us.